Most people think that the reason why they can't make enough sales from their content is because they need a better funnel or maybe even more views on their videos, but this couldn't be further from the truth. When we first started our personal brand in 2023, we reached more than 10 million people in one single month, and yet we made little over $3,000. Last month, we only reached 3 million people, and yet we were able to make $55,000 purely from organic content. So how is that possible? It's because we understood the one strategy that every huge personal brand uses to make millions from their content. We studied people like Alex Hormozi, Iman Gadzhi, and Daniel Dalen and understood the one principle that allowed them to create such profitable personal brands. And the result of applying that very same principle was a 5,467% increase in conversions. And in today's video, I'm going to break down for you exactly how you can do the same. So let's get straight into it. So Alex Hormozi, Iman Gadzhi, Daniel Dalen, what's the one thing that they all have in common? And it's this: none of them actually sell their product or service in their content. Now you might be a little bit confused about this, but let me just break it down for you. Alex doesn't sell his acquisition offer in the content, okay? Just think about it, okay? Iman doesn't sell his course in his content, and Daniel definitely doesn't sell his e-commerce services in the content. I'm not even sure if you know what Daniel Dalen actually does, okay? Even if you follow him and you see his content. Why do they do this? And how are they able to still be profitable? They do this because they understand one simple thing, which is that people don't go on social media to buy something. They use social media to learn or be entertained. This is crucial whenever you try to unlock a new channel of acquisition, a new way of getting customers. You have to understand the context of the platform or the source of your traffic. So here's the thing: if you can't sell in your content, what should you do exactly? How do you convert these people? Well, it all comes down to what I call the big players strategy, okay? So this is literally the strategy that all of these huge personal brands that you follow and admire use, okay? And it's broken down like this. They get millions of views, so they create content that entertains and or educates people. And then from here, they let people dig deeper. And this we know for a fact. We actually have been also inside of the coaching programs for some of these people, for example, like Iman Gadzhi. And so we know this for a fact from being able to talk to their internal teams that actually work on this stuff. And what they do is that from short form, they just let people naturally and organically do this. You will basically have people that consume the short form and then start looking for the long form content and eventually ask themselves, okay, because this is kind of like this natural process that they go through. What does this guy even do? Like, they see an Iman Gadzhi that buys the expensive cars or lives this certain lifestyle, and they're like, how does he afford that? Or they see an Alex Hormozi that provides tons of value, and they're like, what does this guy sell? Like, how can I get more direct access to this person? Like, he clearly seems knowledgeable. How can I get more out of this person? Because he already shares everything for free here. Same thing for Daniel. They see all of the lifestyle, everything that revolves around his business. Then they're like, what does this guy actually do? And so from there, what happens is that they just let them convert. And so once people dig deep enough and they trust them enough, they end up purchasing. Once they actually become their ideal customer, so even for an Alex Hormozi, he provides free value, he trains you up to the point in which you become his ideal customer. And then you're like, this guy clearly knows what's up and I want to learn more from him. And so you end up purchasing from him, you end up converting. This is the content funnel, what we also use, even though in a slightly different way, which I'm going to break down in a second, which goes from awareness to nurturing, and so again, the long form or more in-depth resources, and then eventually to the conversion. Now, here's the only problem that this strategy has. It doesn't convert effectively because it focuses on long-term plays and building goodwills, okay? So this is everything that these guys are doing. These guys have built personal brands for years. If you actually look back, because most of you might know Alex Hormozi from the past few years, but Alex has been posting content for years and years without ever being seen. And same thing goes for Iman, same thing goes for Daniel. And so the problem with this strategy is that it takes a very long time. These are guys that already have tons of resources, tons of money, because they develop their businesses up to incredible levels. And so they can reinvest everything into building this brand. Not only that, but this pays off over time. And again, kind of as I was describing, it takes years to show results because it's not something that happens overnight because of the nature of the strategy. And on top of that, it often requires huge resources and teams to produce massive amounts of content. Because let me be very clear, like all of these guys produce hundreds of pieces of content, sometimes like tens of pieces of content every single day. How do we overcome this problem? How did we overcome this problem? Because of course, we started from a point in which we didn't have millions to invest. Here's the solution: a strategy that follows the same structure but with lean and high converting components. And this is literally the same exact strategy that we used to build a multi-six-figure business purely on the back of content. This is literally everything that we did to build our personal brand to upwards of $55,000 a month just from short form content. And so this is an incredibly powerful source of client acquisition if you implement it the right way. And you can literally implement it by looking at this video, like watching this video, understanding the strategy. You can start implementing it into your business. And imagine literally that, like you could add another 30, 50, 100K a month of revenue just from short form content if you do this right. Here's the breakdown of how our strategy works. And mind, it works on the exact same level, because this is the point. It's the same strategy, just turned into something that converts faster. And it's built a little bit more for the short term. It still builds an incredibly powerful personal brand over the long run, but we also want to optimize it to squeeze cash out of this audience that we're building. The first step is to get thousands of views. And so, kind of as I was saying before, they get millions and millions of views because their strategy heavily relies upon volume. And of course, content is a volume game, inevitably. You can't create content that just gets you 100 views and hope that it will do anything for you. But in the moment in which you're getting thousands of views, that's already more than enough if you're doing the right content. And so you want to create content that educates people and attracts your ICP, so your ideal client profile. Here's the thing, we don't do anything that's entertainment. That's one of the main differences between us and some of these people, because if you think about it, Iman and Daniel, for example, do create some content that's more around like vlogs, lifestyle, and so it's a little bit more towards the entertainment side of things, and that tends to inevitably convert less. So that's why we focus mostly on educational content. And the second thing is that we go a little bit more specific compared to people like an Alex Hormozi, because of course he creates educational content, but he will create educational content that's very broad. And so he talks about business in general, anything that revolves around business, like getting more leads, becoming better at sales, any of these things that relate to business, he talks about it, and he never focuses on one specific target. Any kind of business, like physical business, you're a software, you're a whatever, like you can apply his suggestions, okay? And so the problem is that, once again, you have less conversion when you're not talking directly to the person that you want to attract. This is why we focus on this kind of content in which we are still broad enough to attract a lot of people and get thousands of views, but not necessarily millions and millions and millions of views, because that's not necessarily what we need. We need content that's a little bit more focused, a little bit more targeted toward educating these people, making them understand that we know what we're talking about, we are experts, and then attracting our ideal customer. Now, the second step is pushing people to more value. This is where people oftentimes get it wrong, because they think of short form as another way to sell people. And so they try to push directly to whatever service or product they have. But that's simply not how it works. Like, they don't trust you enough, especially if they're just seeing a 30-second video, a 1-minute video, even if they consume a lot of your content. And this is actually something that we started tracking, and we realized over time, doing a lot of sales calls ourselves, in which it's like people that come to us and they're like, guys, like, I really like your content, I really like what you're doing, I want to join your program. It's more often than not someone that has been following us for 6 months or more, because we focus just on short form content. And this is where the second part comes in and what can accelerate this process, basically. And so we push people to more value. So basically what we do is, from short form, we actively push people to in-depth resources such as lead magnets or YouTube videos, and these resources nurture them and act as a conversion accelerator. This is the key point. You could be converting just from the short form content alone, and we've seen this time and time again. This literally just accelerates that process of building trust. And so again, we are in this step of the funnel. For these other people, for the big entrepreneurs, for these big personal brands, it just comes from that pure and sheer amount of volume from people then just digging a little bit deeper. But what we do to accelerate that process is we push people directly to more in-depth resources. And so the classic approach that we also use in most of our content and most of our Instagram stories as well is just using keywords. And so you're like, hey, comment, you're probably seen it around, comment X, Y, and Z, and we'll send you this super cool resource. Or reply to this story X, Y, and Z, and we will send you this super cool tool that we created. The point of this is just building trust faster. And so again, accelerating this process. And then the last part is give value in public, convert in private. What we do is we leverage private conversation in DMs on Instagram to convert leads into booked calls. And then the goal of this is fundamentally conversions, of course, but to still like just provide value in public, so you build an incredibly powerful personal brand, because from the outside you're never selling, and this is the entire point of content. It should never look like you're selling unless people are nurtured enough. And so again, for example, in a long form piece of content, this one that you're watching right now, you can actually do a call to action that pushes towards your service, or towards at least gathering more information about your service. But on short form, you never want to push directly. And the same thing goes for your Instagram stories or any of those things, because like think about the concept of how people come into the social media platform. What's their mindset? You don't go on Instagram to buy something. And so because of that, that's not the right point to get people. You can have a conversation in private, and this again is accelerator, if you want, in that sense of the conversion together with the second step. And you can understand if they actually have a problem that they want to solve, and then in that case actually make them book a call with you. This is where the conversion comes in. Of course, all of your assets will do that as well. So, you know, classic landing page with a VSL, whatever it might be. But at the same time, you want to have also this as, again, an accelerator that allows you to squeeze more out of the audience that you're building. So here are the key concepts that I want you to take away from this strategy and apply. You never sell in the front end, you just provide value. And this is literally what we do all of the time. Like if you go on our Instagram, you will literally see just value. You will literally see us just being like, hey, here's this cool resource, here's this cool thing that you can learn about, here's how you can convert more people on Instagram, here's like, it's just us providing value. The second point being, you don't need millions and millions of views to convert. Okay, you need the right views and the right kind of content. And you don't need huge teams to create hundreds of pieces of content every single day. Because again, you might not necessarily have the resources, or more likely than not, you're like us and you want to build a lean business, a lean team. Like you don't want to create something that's super bulky with, 40 different video editors to be able to clip hundreds and hundreds of pieces of content. And so literally our entire team right now, okay, so generating this amount of money from just short form content is us, a couple of appointment setters, and one video editor. That's literally it, okay? So you can see how powerful this becomes and how, again, lean it becomes. Because the whole goal at the end of the day for me of info product businesses is to have something that's lean and that creates a lot of cash flow. And the last thing is you speed up the conversion. This is like the key point that I want you to take away from this. Because you could literally apply the same strategy of the big personal brands if you wanted. Problems, again, the ones that I outlined. It might take years before seeing results from that, and it takes tons of resources and tons of team members. And so the way that we build this process is we just speed up the conversion process, speed up that conversion journey that people go through without ever looking salesy or pushy in public. Again, because that's the whole point. And especially that's the whole point if you want to build a long-lasting personal brand. With this being said, we have more in-depth videos on this channel on each step of the process. So feel free to just go through the channel. We literally have a full 45 minutes video in which we just break down our DM setting strategy. So how we actually book appointment in private. We have tons of videos on the content side of things, how we actually create these educational pieces of content that can convert people and that can position you as an authority in your niche. But if you just want to work directly with us, or if you want to learn more about how we can help you to implement this system into your business and scale with short form content, then you can just check the first link in the description. You will find tons and tons of results. We are incredibly proud of this and incredibly client oriented. We are always working to get the best results possible in the game for our clients when it comes to short form content. Again, you can just check the first link in the description to gather more information about that. Or otherwise, again, I highly suggest that you just subscribe to the channel and check out the other videos in which we break down all of these systems completely for free inside of this channel. And with that being said, we will see you in the next video.